we are at the Brockton Reservoir. We're gonna walk the road. Look at this. Look at that. Might even see a rainbow coming through there. Wow. We're gonna be going down this road with Niko. Here he is, my boy. We're getting ready. Right across here. We end up on that side afterwards. But we're going down, so we'll see you down the road. It's Niko. We're at our camp. The day before the night of the storm. Well, some say 5 to 8, some say 3 to 6. We'll see. This boy, he loves the snow. Huh, Papa? Oh yeah, he loves the snow, Papa. He knows. Gonna get him out in the snow. Huh? Yeah, he's a good boy. He's such a good boy. He knows. Oh yeah, he knows. Son. And you know that for sure. Love is the flower. You gotta let it. You gotta let it grow. He my boy. Oh yeah. He loves it over here. He's a good boy. Oh yeah, he loves out here. The sun right up there. Beating. Look at that. The snow coming in later. Just a cool day today. No wind. No wind at all. We went up the tower. This is our spot. In the summer, this is gonna be the place to go, right here. Perfect fishing hole. I expect a lot of people to be up here this summer. All right, we're gonna take a break, get something to eat. We'll see you in a bit.